Hi everybody, Mary Mercurio here, and for my game, I decided to take a classic game and kind of give it a little reprise so that it extends the game in a way. So I took tic-tac-toe, and as a teacher, I see little scribblings of tic-tac-toe all over the place. When I did summer camp and after school, all kids they just love tic-tac-toe. I play it with my own children when we're kind of like, bored sitting somewhere or whatever. So it's a budget friendly, fun game. Everybody knows how to play it pretty much. Comes in all sorts of forms. So what I wanted to do was to create tic-tac-toe, but get rid of the icons X and O and use forms of these chips, which if you're looking at the top of this game board, you'll see that I have different sizes. So the whole idea is that you can take small chips and cover them with larger size chips. So if you're on the yellow team and you put down your largest chip, the purple team can't do anything. Your opponent can't do anything. But if I put down my smallest chip, the purple team can come in and cover it with pretty much any other ones that aren't of the same size. So it kind of extends the game and it kind of makes it so there's a little bit of strategy and some higher level thought because you have to look at the game board and wonder, is it worth using my bigger chips to get this space, or do I want to try to cover a different one and uh, you know, being able to really think through as the game is progressing and being player one, player two, worrying about what your opponent is going to do. So I went through and I tried to create this game on no less than 5 different sites and was very unsuccessful with all of them. So I know that this wasn't listed as one of the um, game type on our readings, but I made mine in Roblox, and my kids love Roblox. I play with them on Roblox, and we went on and we created this game board right here, which is a free game that anyone can go on and they can play it now. And this is kind of like the playing field from the top, and there is a way to test it and play it, but um it takes a long time because I haven't solidified exactly how to minimize the board or the world to just this spot. So when we tried to play it, we were walking all over the place with characters. And what the characters are able to do is actually go over and pick up the pieces and move them onto the game board. So if you play against somebody, you each pick a color and you're able to move these big chips all over. So this is the top. Um, if you're playing, you're actually on the view of like the ground view, so you actually can see the chips in front of you. So I think for my capability level and being an extreme novice to uh, game development, I'm pretty proud of the work that I did. And it did take quite some time to come up with solutions to get to the point of what I wanted to get across for this game. Um, Again, I'll put the link up if you want to go play the game on Roblox. I can't promise how well thought out it is. I am still trying to completely problem solve everything. But again, classic tic-tac-toe, a little bit of higher level thought. I played this with my own children and they said it was really fun and they had a good time with it. And they really liked it on this format in this platform. Um, so yeah, tic-tac-toe on Roblox. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys.